staying away from Mari Vett. All right.
Thank you, Jill. In case Mark kissed one of the Backstreet Boys.
Just now, they're on our show. A moment. You just you passed them as you walked out.
You're kidding.
Those three guys?
Backstreet
No,
Boys.
those are old guys. Those are old guys.
Where's my brain? It's on food.
Mari Vett is with us from City Search.
Yes.
She's helping us out with all these things. And
Yes.
what is the theme today?
This is all about Dine LA Restaurant Week.
Okay.
So,
What is that?
Dine LA, it's from the LA Convention and Visitors Bureau, and so it's a way to just get people out to explore the neighborhoods, eat delicious food, and save money.
Okay.
So that's what this is all about.
Start.
Oh, okay. So let's do, and they
Forks.
do prefix menus. It's all 3 courses, and they're at different price categories. So there's no guesswork. You know exactly what you're paying. This is bringing us to BLD.
BLD.
BLD, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is upscale comfort food all day long. We love it. So what they're doing
Oh,
is...
I'm not having that for breakfast.
Not for breakfast.
Anything with a face on it, I'm not having for breakfast.
Okay, so this is for their dinner. It's part of the deluxe dining option. So it's $26 for 3 courses, and that's a great savings. So you can start with like the pomegranate persimmon pear salad.
I'm starting with this.
This is barbecue smoked tofu. And this is on the regular menu. It's so
There's
delicious,
tofu,
and it's
really good.
vegetarian. It's
and I
out-
wouldn't have eaten it if I knew it was tofu.
Yeah, but it's so good, right? It looks so
I didn't
appetizing,
really
and it
get much
tastes even
tofu.
better. Okay, and so then they have, this is their trout, their rainbow trout. You can get it with the head off, you know, if you don't want to see the face and the tail. I know Steve's kind of looking at it like, what the heck's
No, I
going
like
on
the
there?
head,
Yeah.
actually. It's
So,
cute.
and it's got like leek and potato, all that kind of cool
It's
stuff.
leaking potatoes?
Yeah, well, leeks and potatoes.
Oh, okay.
So everything is there. It's 3 courses. It's $26. I mean,
Okay.
and it's a great
okay.
savings from the
BLD.
regular menu. BLD.
Okay.
Okay, and then that's moving us on to Beacon. This is an Asian cafe. This is in the historic Helms Bakery
not using the
building
fork, I
in
am.
Culver City.
Culver City.
Yes, and so what they do is they do great Asian food with European techniques and then very fresh ingredients. So this again is also part of the deluxe dining option. So they do lunch and dinner. So lunch is $16 for 3 courses,
Pardon my
and
reach.
dinner is $26 for 3 courses.
Okay, what's
so
your
again,
favorite?
So I love the tuna niçoise, and that's a great lunch option, and that comes with dessert. We don't have dessert here, so go to the restaurant, find out what's on the menu.
This looks yummy, whatever it is.
This is the shrimp louis, and this is the duck confit with the fingerling potatoes and the frise. And then the black miso glazed cod with the green beans and sesame seeds. I really love that one too. That's really, really delicious. And so let's see what you think, Dorothy.
Whack.
Isn't it awesome? Okay, Steve, you're gonna have to try something here.
What?
So this is
A new career?
Yeah.
What?
So this is the penthouse. This is in the beautiful Huntley Hotel. Have you
It's a
been
little
there?
late for that.
Overlooking Santa Monica Bay?
Overlooking, it's pretty
Yeah.
much 360-degree view.
Okay.
This place is gorgeous.
Gorgeous, and the food
You
is
take the
even
elevator
better.
or the
Take
outside
the
and you-
elevator.
yeah.
It's out of control. I just ate there on Sunday.
It's
and
also
let me tell
really
you.
scene,
Excuse me, the
too.
elevator's out of control? Why should I take it?
No, it's just being there. It's so beautiful.
okay.
It's out of control.
Is it a little bit at night? A little bit of a...
It's a little bit of a scene.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
great for
A little
brunch
bit of
too.
pickup place.
Yeah, you know. So anyhow, you're gonna pick up some great food there at an
Okay.
awesome deal.
See how she picked up on that?
Dinner, $34 for 3 courses. This usually is $30 alone. This wild caught salmon. This is the beet salad. They do all these beautiful things. This is the braised short rib.
Ooh, I've eaten there a bunch.
You want to try the
food
braised
is-
short
yeah,
rib?
food
I know
is
you
fabulous
do.
there.
Yeah, the food.
I'd like to welcome Julie.
Yay, thanks for joining
We knew
us.
you'd come back.
So
I
we
know
did
I'm
BLD
late.
Beacon, and now we're at Penthouse at the Huntley. Okay.
Would you like some short ribs?
No, but I want that.
Pork belly. I'm going to go to pork belly and scallop. This is an actual appetizer. This looks like an entree.
And pork bellies are up.
Yes, it's ridiculous.
That's from Trading Places.
It is?
And this is
Yes!
this is the strawberry shortcake. You want some?
Yes.
The strawberry shortcake is
I don't
like,
even need a fork.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we need a fork for her. And then this is their
Nice.
chocolate lava cake
We
with
could
the,
have mine,
with
but
the
I might
creme
have
brulee
swine
bread
flu
puddings.
from the Backstreet Boys.
No.
Okay.
Guys. So let's end on a huge note. This is Morton's,
famed Morton's.
Beverly Hills.
Yes.
Need I say more?
Oh, they're, by the way, they're in the Valley now, too, for us Valleyites.
Yes, there you go. And
Yeah,
and
Woodland
Need I
Hills. Check
say-
it out.
Woodland Hills and
Need
Burbank.
I
is-
say Morton's?
Yeah, there you go. They're also
Need I say-
I gotta say,
participating.
Morton's and Fleming's are the best steaks, bar none.
There you go.
Need I
Yeah.
say creme brulee?
Let me tell you, I'm like beside myself because
Oh,
3
cuts.
courses,
Yeah.
$44.
All right, that's
you
a
can
deal.
easily spend over
This
$200.
is torture for a pregnant woman.
Yeah.
All this food and no fork. I mean, come
And
on.
it comes with sides, and usually you have to get them a la carte.
It's
So
German.
we've got the wild salmon here. We've got here's a filet mignon. We've got the garlic green beans, the lyonnaise potatoes, the creme brulee,
I went
the
right to
corn
the creme
salad.
brulee.
I mean, it is such a bargain. The chocolate mousse, 3 courses, $44 per person. Wow. I mean, it really doesn't get any better than that.
What's that?
I'm trying to figure out what that is. How come? Oh, no, this is a chicken Christopher.
Yeah, it looks like
Of course, it's a chicken
It's the
Christopher.
chicken Christopher. Hello. It
Yes.
should be named after their GM, Christopher Garrison, because
Got
I
it.
love him. He's
It's
so
the
awesome.
chicken Warren
He'll take care of you.
Christopher. Yes,
Yeah.
got
So
it.
these are all the great deals from Dine LA. Take advantage. It's going on now. They take off Saturday, and then it's going to go on all next
How
week.
do we find out about all of this?
You go to citysearch.com
Or,
or MyFoxLA.
which we will then direct you to.
You will direct, and you can also find me on Twitter at
Or-
CitySearchLA.
What is it?
Twitter is at CitySearchLA.
And we get you?
It's me. I am
Okay.
CitySearchLA.
And there's more.
Okay.
Creme brulee, there's more.
I know you love Twitter so much, Steve.
All right. Well, no. Listen, we just had a
Yes.
guest on for whom Twitter was very important.
Yes. Oh, is that the one?
It's
with the
not.
transplant?
It's not like, hey, like chocolate cookies.
Yeah.
All right. What else?
For more
Hey, go to
information
the
on all
bathroom.
that, for more info on all the Dine LA deals that are going on through this Friday,
And then
go to MyFox
Keep
LA.
going.
And then from Californication, Ava Amuri, daughter of Susan Sarandon, is
Maury,
here.
close enough.
Very
Yeah,
exciting.
very good. Good. All right.
Very cool.
Maury Yvette, thank you.
Thank you.